Today we learn how to join a Zoom meeting via desktop or laptop. Zoom is a video conferencing tool that is used for online meetings, webinars, and online teaching. It can be used for free by anyone who has its basic account. This video will show you how to join an online meeting. Before you can join a Zoom meeting, you need to have a Zoom meeting ID which is generated by a host who schedules a meeting in the Zoom app. You can join Zoom meeting via two ways. Number 1, input the ID in Zoom app. Number 2, clicking on the ID link. To start, log into Zoom app. Then click on the Join button. Another window opens. Enter Zoom meeting ID at the meeting you are in. Enter your name. Choose if you want to include or not to include your audio and video. Once you are done, click Join. Zoom takes you to meeting and now you can join the discussion. Other way is, if the host sends Zoom link via email, you can simply join by clicking on the link sent. It takes you to download page of Zoom app launcher. If you have already installed Zoom in your computer, just click on Open Zoom. If you don't have Zoom, click on Download and Run Zoom. It gives you the app launcher and will run Zoom without installing. In Zoom meeting, the host can do the following: mute or unmute your microphone, disable or enable your webcam, record the meeting, and make you the host of the meeting. You can mute or unmute your microphone by clicking on the microphone icon. Similarly, you can enable or disable your webcam video by clicking on the video icon. You can also chat with the participants by clicking on the chat icon. If the host allows you to record the meeting, you can click on the record icon to record the meeting. To leave the meeting, just click on End Meeting. This was the method how you can join the Zoom meeting if you are using a desktop or a laptop. Now we will learn how to join a meeting by using your smartphones. The first thing that you need to be aware is not everything works on Zoom mobile app as it does on the desktop. For example, there are limited display options on Zoom mobile app. You can only have 4 participants on the same screen at a time, whereas on desktop you can have 25 participants on a single screen. Look for Zoom Cloud Meetings in Play Store or App Store. Then install the app and press Open, and you will be directed to this page here where you have an opportunity to join a meeting. You don't have to create a Zoom account to join a meeting. When you press Join a Meeting, you need meeting ID in order to join a meeting. Host of a meeting will send you a meeting ID and a password. You have to enter that meeting ID and password. You also have to enter your name, which will act as your identification. In this video, where it is written Galaxy S8, instead of that, you have to mention your name. There are 2 options. You can select the first option if you want to mute yourself, and the second option is if you want to turn off your video when you want to enter the meeting.